Hey friends, I just finished a new KumoMTA install for a customer, and I thought I would take a few minutes to show you the 14 or 15 lines of Lua that it takes to get a KumoMTA install actually running. And this is where every single install I do starts with this framework and builds off it from there. So let me walk you through it. Shouldn't take more than about 2 minutes. We start by requiring the Kumo library that has all of the functions in it. Every KumoMTA config has to have an init function, but that's all it has to have. So inside the init function, you want to define your SMTP listener, the port and the IP that is willing to accept on. In this case, I'm going to accept on port 25 on every single IP that I have plumbed. I'm going to accept HTTP on the local host only on port 8000. I'm going to define the spool data and meta sections and logging. I have to define logging as well. Now that we're configured, that's it. Save it, reload the config, and let's just test it. Run a telnet through it. We'll do a localhost 25, throw in our from and our to, throw in some data section, close it, and you can see it actually works. And there you go, it runs.